Don't take it personally is the subject of my video. So let's get started. In the workplace, you will almost certainly receive comments, both positive and negative. Don't take it personally. Suggest you not to take unwanted comments or criticism as an attack on your personality. Instead, that viewing the criticism as a reflection of your own weakness, consider it as an assessment of a specific task, project, or aspect of your work. When things don't go as planned and you face problems such as getting skipped over for a project or receiving a negative performance assessment, it is important not to connect these outcomes with your self-worth. Don't take it personally highlights that these outcomes are frequently influenced by a variety of factors such as team dynamics, market conditions, and project requirements. The advice to not to take it personally is intended to keep you from becoming emotionally connected with your job or work-related situations. People might become so committed in their roles that they begin to see each achievement or failure as a reflection of their entire personality. This might result in high levels of stress and emotional volatility. Keeping an emotional distance from your job does not imply becoming disinterested or disappointed in it. Instead, it advises you to avoid becoming overly emotional in any professional situations. You can keep perspective by viewing difficulties, criticism, and disappointments as temporary events within the context of your profession. Work may involve difficult conditions such as tight deadlines, disputes with co-workers, or unexpected shifts. Don't take it personally advises you to treat these circumstances professionally. This allows you to make more logical choices and lowers the possibility of being influenced by emotional feelings. Your job is a crucial part of your life, but it's not the sum total of who you are. Importance of having a sense of self that isn't only influenced by your professional achievements or failures. Rather than feeling discouraged by criticism or unfavorable outcomes, don't take it personally supports viewing these encounters as opportunities for growth and advancement. When you emotionally remove yourself from these circumstances, you may objectively examine what went wrong and how you might improve your talents for next time. Taking things personally might lead to defensiveness or dislike to feedback at times. You become more sensitive to constructive input when you take a more detached attitude because you are less likely to feel insulted or harassed. Don't take it personally basically means that you should establish a balance between your professional and personal lives. It allows you to approach your job with dedication and enthusiasm while still maintaining a healthy emotional distance, allowing you to negotiate challenges, criticism, and disappointments with resilience and a growth-oriented perspective. When you are told not to take things personally at work, it's a good reminder to keep a detached perspective. Instead of viewing criticism or setbacks as reflections of your character, it's critical to view them as opportunities for progress or results impacted by events beyond your control. Your worth as a person is decided by more than just your job performance or professional achievements. It's easy to associate your self-esteem with your profession, but don't take it personally argues you to recognize that your worth is broad and extend beyond the workplace. Negative feedback, while painful at times, is frequently designed to help you grow and develop. Understanding that criticism is about the work, not on you, allows you to handle feedback with a more open and respectful mindset. This can result in significant improvements to your skills and performance. Emotional tiredness and stress can result from taking everything personally. You can keep a more balanced emotional state if you don't accept every setback. This resilience is essential for dealing with obstacles efficiently and having a positive attitude at work. In a work environment, you will be faced with scenarios involving business-related decisions that might not always be consistent with your opinions. By not taking these decisions personally, you can make decisions that are best for the company's goals rather than ones that are influenced by personal feelings. Don't take it personally also applies to how you interact with co-workers and managers. Conflicts or differences of opinion can emerge for a variety of reasons, including conflicting perspectives or corporate demands rather than personal conflict. When these problems are viewed honestly, they can lead to improved conversation and resolution. Maintaining professionalism and staying calm is vital in the workplace. Not taking things personally always allow you to handle challenging situations with grace and professionalism, which can improve your reputation and working connections. Every mistake, failure, or loss can provide great learning opportunities. When you don't take these situations personally, you are more likely to be able to examine them objectively, discover areas for growth, and change your strategy for better future results. Don't take it personally refers to a mindset that encourages you to be adaptive, resilient, and open to improvement in the context of your employment. It is about distinguishing between your personal identity and the professional obstacle you face, which will lead to enhanced emotional well being and job advancement. Thanks.